Business-backed conservative lawmakers in Iowa are proposing a new bill which would effectively enable children as young as 14 to do very dangerous jobs. And what is this all about? There's a new child labour pre-law, that's being discussed and debated and proposed. And as part of the proposals, I'll just read this through. So, teens under 18 are generally barred from employment in mining, logging, demolition, and meat packing, right? And from operating dangerous machinery and equipment, including circular saws, guillotine shears, and punching machines. For fuck's sake. Okay, so all this sounds very reasonable. Now, this proposed law includes a whole bunch of exceptions. So it would allow teens 14 to 17 to work in any of those prohibited jobs, in any of those prohibited sectors, doing any of those currently prohibited things, if they're participating in some like work, learning, training kind of thing. When you dial back child labor laws, you regress. It is now, whether you like trade unions or not, the reason children 11 years old don't work in coal mines is because of trade unions. The reason we've progressed to a society where we don't put children, we don't make children work. B, we don't put them, certainly don't allow them to work in dangerous jobs. That's called progress. Anything to water those laws down or those ideals down is regression. This is shameful and an embarrassing development in Iowa. Stay tuned.